Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a compelling thumbnail for your Fiverr gig. Your gig thumbnail is incredibly important because it's the very first thing potential buyers see. Think of it as your digital storefront window. A great one stops people in their tracks. A well-designed thumbnail not only grabs attention, but also communicates professionalism and the value of your service, directly impacting your click-through rates and ultimately your sales. When designing, always prioritize clarity and high resolution. Fiverr recommends a size of 1280 by 769 pixels for optimal display. Keep your text minimal and ensure it's easily readable, even on smaller screens. Consistency with your overall brand identity is key, making your gig instantly recognizable. Aim for a unique design that truly stands out from the competition. Your thumbnail should immediately showcase your best work or a compelling example of your service. Highlight a key benefit or your unique selling proposition to instantly convey value. Use strong, contrasting colors to ensure visibility and make your design pop. If appropriate, a subtle call to action can guide buyers. Remember, the goal is to quickly communicate what you offer. You don't need expensive software. Free tools like Canva or Adobe Express are excellent choices. Always test different thumbnail variations to see which ones perform best with your audience. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from friends or fellow sellers before finalizing your design. Finally, always optimize your thumbnail for mobile viewing, as many buyers browse Fiverr on their phones. Continuous improvement is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.